Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I am going to make a garlic sauce steamed fish. Okay, I have a very nice barramundi fish, or some call it in Malay it's actually called cakap. Okay, barramundi fish, this is actually a wild barramundi. This is actually the fish head. Now, the trick about fish head is this. Many people doesn't like to eat fish head, but some people loves fish head. Like in the case of Appa's family, I love to eat fish head because of the collagen and stuff, but my family doesn't eat fish head. So what we do here is, there is one trick. When you order the fish, especially when you buy the whole fish from the seller, tell them you want how many inches of meat to be attached. Sometimes you can ask for 2 inches, sometimes this is probably about 4 to 5 inches of extra meat. So then you can let your family eat this extra meat and I can enjoy the fish collagen on the fish head. Okay, so second thing to take note is, of course, you want to wash away the fish kidney thoroughly, yeah, which is the red blood in the middle here. That is the source of fishiness. After that, you can, of course, you want to check up if it is properly descaled, yeah, and also make few slits on the fish body. And what you do next is actually to marinate the fish with a little bit of salt, right, and put few pieces of ginger on top as well as in the fish cavity. And if you are using a normal conventional steamer, then you really want to raise the fish up by putting something in at the bottom. You can put some ginger slices or spring onion or even chopstick, all right, and put it onto your steamer. Then after that, of course, we will need some ingredient for the ginger sauce, but let's steam the fish first. Okay, here's Appa's steamer. Put inside. And we are going to steam it for, this fish is very thick, so I'm going to steam it for somewhere between at least 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Then we will let it do its job, and we shall go and make the ginger sauce. Okay, you will need 3 main ingredients for the ginger sauce. I have some spring onion here, 1 to 2 stalks, up to you. This is one small bowl of de-skin ginger. Why I de-skin it actually is just to make the color brighter. Okay, about 1 small bowl of ginger. Old ginger I'm using, okay? Or you can use medium ginger also can. Young ginger maybe not so suitable. Okay, and then here I have 1 bowl of chicken stock. So first thing, we will blend the ginger. It would be good to cut the ginger into slightly smaller pieces, smaller chunks, so that it's easier to blend. Let me quickly cut it. For those who think Appa's normal video is too long, I have actually recently started a 60-second recipe. Okay, Appa's recipes in 60 seconds. You can look for my reels and also my shorts, yeah? YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or Facebook reels. So you can find my 60-second recipe. And you want to add in some chicken stock. Not too much, because too much, later this will splatter. Okay, after you close it, now we can on it. See, it started to splatter, not too much water inside. Very fast. I think I want it to be a little bit more fine, so I'm going to add a little bit more water here. This machine can add water and blend at the same time. If you are interested to purchase, I will put the link inside the video description and all the ingredients I use. This is not a sponsored video, yeah? Not a sponsored video. Slowly put a little bit of water in. Just want to make the ginger paste finer. Okay, done. Beautiful. Let me show you. Let me off the power first. Nice ginger paste. Alright, next thing you're going to heat up some wok, and I'm going to start with a bit of garlic oil to give it some enhanced flavor. Of course, you can use any vegetable oil you have. And we are going to saute the ginger paste. As to how long to saute, up to you. If you like it spicier, don't saute for too long. If you want it less spicy, saute for slightly longer. So you really choose how you want it to be. And I'm going to add in my chicken stock. 1 bowl of chicken stock. If you make a bit more on this ginger scallion sauce, you can actually use the leftover to steam chicken as well the next day if you want. Very useful sauce. Okay, we're going to give it some seasoning. I'm going to start with some beautiful my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Give it a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. Of course, you can add some soy sauce if you like, but that will make the color darker. I prefer my color a little bit more yellowish. Oops. Ooh, very fragrant. Now I'm going to off the fire and add in half of the scallion, leaving the rest as garnishing towards the end. So our ginger paste is done. See how simple it is. Simple. Let's just wait for the fish. Okay, the fish is ready. Open it. Be careful if you have this pot also, always open upwards so that you won't get hurt by the steam, yeah? See a lot of hot steams coming up. It's definitely fully cooked right now, and you will see a lot of fishy water. Let me try to zoom in for you. Okay, all the fishy water around here, you don't want it. That is the source of fishiness. Okay, so I'm going to carefully use a spatula to move the fish over to the serving plate. Okay, so this is our serving plate today. You can remove the ginger. The one inside is okay, I don't mind, leave it there. And beautiful fish. Not forgetting our golden ginger sauce. Okay, give it a nice gingery bath. Few minutes you can have this beautiful gingery bath. And then we're going to top it up with some spring onion and also some fresh coriander. Alright, oh, let me give it a few dashes of white pepper. Does it look like how it is served in a restaurant? Done. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, here is how simple it is to do ginger scallion steamed fish at home, restaurant standard. And I've taught you how to actually remove the fishiness away. First of all, make sure you have cleaned the fish kidney thoroughly. Secondly, remove the steamed fishy water. Yeah, do these two, it should be alright. And of course, you want to put a few pieces of ginger on the fish when you steam. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple but very flavorful video today. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.